Well, welcome to my new project. You've seen in some places I've posted up my mystery car. Most people know what a mystery car is now. This is my contribution to my collection of an American car. This is a 1963 Corvair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cover off and we'll have a good look around it, see the good points and the bad points or what it needs doing. So let me unveil her. It's well strapped down because it gets really windy here. Okay, let's do the unveil. What I'll do is just put this down the back. Okay, let me know your first impressions. There it is, the 1963 Chevrolet Corvair. And we have a badges down here saying Monza. You can see it's a convertible. It's got a white roof. There is no back window, that needs putting back in. Get this other cover out of the way as well. Okay. Right. As you can see, I've got a flat tire on the back. And we do have a little bit of rust around it. So I want to make this into a rolling restoration. There's some rust here, not too bad. Underside, what I can see, looks okay. I think I've locked it. Oh no, it's not locked. The interior is in very good condition. I'll take the camera off the tripod in a minute and show you. Then I'll open up the bits and pieces. We'll have a look around, proper look around. Okay, I'm going to grab a key and so I'm going to lock a few things and we'll have a proper close look inside. We'll get right back to you. Okay, let's have a look around, see what I bought here. It's a convertible. We'll have a look inside. I'm just going to get in, have a look. It's got 75,000 recorded miles. It looks very original. It looks like the original radio. Oh, see a few bits hanging off here and there. Seats are in good condition. The vinyl looks good. Carpet looks good. Like a lot of play in the steering. Saw that out. One of the quirky things is the shift. It's an automatic. It's on the lever here. Looks like, and I am no expert on these Corvairs. I guess that's low, drive, neutral, reverse. It's only a 2-speed automatic. So that's first speed, second, neutral, and reverse. Leave it in neutral. It's got an ashtray here. Um, what else? Basic instruments. All I've got is a fuel gauge and a speedometer. Obviously, this is where the key goes. Wipers, lights. There's a heater here of some sort. Again, very different to what I'm used to. I don't know if all of this even works. So I'm still learning. Handbrake is this big lever down here. Door cards look okay. Just jump back out. See the seats look in good condition. Rear seat just pulls forward. Rear seat looks okay. The back window is not in, and it needs to be put in. We got, I believe, the user's guide. It says 1965 on there. Actually, I'd like to confirm what the actual year is. And what else we got here? 65 owner protection plan. Yeah, I'm going to do some research on about it and see what the actual year is. Looking at this, these books don't tally the age of the car. So, a little bit different for me, having a four-seater convertible. Okay, we'll have a look around. Now, there is no engine in it at the moment. Got to remember how to get into this thing. So, there is a little lever underneath here somewhere you got to press. There we go. That goes up. The engine is in the back. Air-cooled, 6-cylinder. I believe this is a 140 horsepower one because it will have 4 carburetors. The transmission is still in. I do have the engine to go into it, but I don't really know what I got in the way of everything I have here. Looks like a regulator. Just pick that up out of the way. Okay. I'll be finding out where the engine number is. Oh, here we go. I don't know if I can zoom in that close. So I'm going to pull some information off of that. Bad points. There's a huge chunk of filler here, which I do have in the back here. I hate it when people just fill these in. That went in there. Got to sort that out. I can get down here. I can just bring her in. Yep. You can see the rust along here and just up here. That's a fairly easy repair for me to do. That's the worst of it there. Okay. Round to the front. It needs a new antenna in there, no big deal. Now in the front, if I can find the right key. Oh, this one or this one. There it is. And that's the front trunk or frunk. And I have an assortment of parts. I have the base of an air cleaner. I have the 4 carburetors here and here on the link sheet still. I also found it's got 2 more carburetors as well. So I don't know what's really been going on. Inside looks fairly solid. I don't see anything serious. Down in the well, way down here is a hole. Looks like it could be a drain hole. Various engine parts around it. We'll do a front view here. Chrome looks okay on the front. Actually, I'll nip around the back again. I will have a look at that. It has these wire wheel rim covers, which look period for the car. I'm quite happy with those. We'll do a quick look at the Monza. Color is like a metallic grey. I don't know if that's original or not. Again, we'll do some research with this. Flat tire. Back view. Quick look around. Chrome looks in really good condition, actually. Quite impressed with that. So, yeah, this is it. This is a bit like the way the MG hoods go up. You got to release this and you pull it down. If you don't wrench these down, you'll damage it. Okay. Yeah, I said back window is. Where is the back window? I thought I had one in here. There it is. Nope, that's just a tonneau. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I thought I had a back window to go in. Anyway, it needs a new back window. Oh, perhaps I don't. This is just a cover. You can see it all went to black and fell out. So the option is either to get a new hood or have a new window piece let in. I'll see how that goes. I'll take advice on that one. We'll Corvair experts out there, let me know what to do. New hood or repair. The actual hood itself looks in really good condition. What if I should take the hood off, or roll it back and see what it looks like without the on there? Let me do that. I'll put it on a tripod. I'll get back to you. Okay. I'm sure we're running. This is live. Never done this before. I'll wind the back windows down. That's supposed to go down with it. The first problem. That's that one. And I'll do the passenger side. I'll open that door. Let's see if I can figure out how the roof goes over. Sunshades down. Release there. Release there. And it should just go up. Let's have a look. There we are. Converted. Let me stand back and have a look. I've never seen it like this. Close the door. Close the other door. I'll wind that window down as well. There. So, what does it look like? Had it blown up the tire would be okay. I think it looks fairly stylish. Quirky. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this as my next project, as a rolling restoration. I don't have time in the workshop to put it in there for a full restoration, but yeah, I think this is good. A little bit of research. Corvair experts, please let me know. I will post up the information found in the back with the engine plate, all the details, so we can get the exact year when it was built, etc. for it. But the idea is, like I said, a rolling restoration. Enjoy it, take it to a few car shows, as is, and do some cruises and get people's reactions. As I look around it more, I enjoy it. Got certainly some different lines, more than I'm used to. And most of you know I'm more into European cars. I am into North American cars. I just swivel my camera around this way. The other car in the drive is sharing is with an Audi Coupe GT. That is actually my son's car. That's going to be a rolling restoration as well. Okay, well, thank you for watching. There's going to be a ton of videos coming out on this one. I'm going to be asking a ton of advice as well on what to do with this car. I do have the engine. It's over at a friend's place, not very far away. I have done a compression check on it. All is good. And I'm just going to drop it in there and see if I can get this one running. And I'll do videos of that as well. Thank you for watching. If you do like this video, please like. And if you do like my content, please subscribe. Thank you. And bye for now. Till next time.